How to use the Natively Preview app. First, open your browser and log in to your Natively dashboard. Select the app you want to preview. Inside your app dashboard, open the Preview section. The app is available for both Android and iOS, and you can install it either by scanning the QR code shown on the dashboard or by searching for Natively Preview in the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once the app is installed, open it on your device. Log in using the same account you use for your Natively dashboard. This will allow the Preview app to access your Natively projects. You can now test your application in a real mobile environment, including navigation, layouts, and supported features. Use the Preview app to verify that everything works correctly before creating a production build. Some native features may be limited in preview mode, depending on your configuration. Whenever you make changes in your dashboard, refresh or reconnect the preview session to load the latest version of your app. And that's it. Your app is now running inside Natively Preview.